The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall!
哦呦，操！来给你看一下
啊，慢慢来，
这他妈真是深渊哦！
来，别紧张啊，慢慢开。来啊！你往我这边大一点点，因为你这个
看能不能压得到。
往这边大一点点。
这个不能乱打方向，
啊，
让它方向掉下去了。
好，慢慢走，慢慢走。来，你说，慢慢走。好，别动，好，慢慢走。
看一下波哥什么表情呢？哦哟，看不到人哦。
往这边搞一点点，这边了，其他后轮打不上，好，慢慢走，慢慢走。我看一下后轮，好，慢慢走，走，来，后轮打不上。
啊？你过来嘛，过来就差不多上了。
来，慢慢走，往前走点，走。
哎，这样不行哦。
哎，可以了，
啊，
可以了，来，
好，上了。
走啊！
我操！
这边一点点，
这他妈悬空！
这边一点点，悬空了，你别怕，不怕。
好，可以了。来，不用看，你看了更怕。
哦呦，掉下去了，别动。来，
可以，安全
了。
好，
慢慢走，别急。
就这样。
我操！
就这样。哦呦，好得很。
来。
可以。我操！哎呀！
独木桥。
过了。
什么感觉？
Viewers and subscribers, let me tell you this, it's not the first me see some video on social media where show off some form of vehicle dep on some cliff and them thing there do some risky driving and all these things. You see me? Yeah, because me say public passenger vehicle, me don't know which country, but me say public passenger vehicle I travel on the side of a cliff. Like, see the cliff here and the road there right here, so, and the vehicle I travel on the side of the road. Me see that on social media and them, you see me? Me see it. So me not go say at the first me I say something like this, you see me? But when me look on this video like this now, me have to bring it to you, my viewers and subscribers, and ask you one question. Why would persons risk their lives like this? Because it's a big risk, I wouldn't encourage anyone to do something like that, viewers and subscribers. I wouldn't even tell my enemy to do something like that. I mean, I tell you the truth. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah? Yeah, hear me, nobody not supposed to try nothing like this for no reason, no time at all. You see me, not try it. If somewhere you go and the road look like that, turn back and go back the other way and find a different way for reach where you go. Because really and truly, nobody not supposed to do something like that. To me, if that boat snap, that vehicle roll gone way down a yonder, just galang, the vehicle would gone and some gully ray. You see me, I say, persons or somebody might lose all them life. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Let me know what you think, your viewers and subscribers. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall. I want to big up on yourself, yeah? You see?